Good morning. First, I'd like to thank the OIS meeting organizers and my fellow presenters. It's been an amazing couple of days. And I'm excited to share with you the recent developments at BioTissue. My name is Tom Williamson. I'm our Chief Commercial Officer, and we have learned that evolution and innovation are a must in medicine, in industry, and what I will touch upon today, especially in the regenerative medicine space. Now, in order for us to evolve, we had to blow up our traditional thinking. We need to think beyond Procera. We needed to innovate and prepare for explosive growth. Many of you today still think of us as a last resort therapy. In fact, we've even pigeonholed ourselves in this very category. And why not? On the ocular side of our business, we've basically been a two-product company for over a decade. But today we are thinking bigger. We are focused on expanding the entire ocular surface disease continuum of care, knowing that dry eye is a progressive disease. Now at BioTissue, we have the responsibility to do two things. We have to understand the complexities that our customers are facing every day, and to ensure that we are listening and delivering solutions to help them navigate these complexities. And if we're not doing this, gang, we're failing. Which brings me back to the continuum of care. By the end of my time standing here, you will see how our products available today and our growing product pipeline will be able to help you more appropriately treat every patient along this entire continuum. Our goal is to help physicians to meet the patients where they are, to broaden their toolkit to appropriately treat patients earlier before their disease progresses. I will show you how we are evolving, innovating, and meeting those demands. So let's take a look at the world we're living in, the world of the anterior segment. There's an underdiagnosed disease that is affecting 16 million patients annually, including up to 30% of patients over the age of 40. Collectively, our understanding of this disease is constantly changing. We have had 3 different definitions, and it is still evolving. There are also over 10 different protocols to treat this very one disease that has 3 different definitions and affects 16 million patients conservatively. Surprise, this is dry eye disease. And the opportunity to better treat these patients who are just starting to show signs and symptoms, or having stain without pain, or having ocular surface disease prior to cataract surgery, it's very real. And it's no secret there are numerous treatment options for this multifactorial disease. You heard some today. As you likely hear regularly, though, among those treatment options are amniotic membranes, and they are a fantastic choice. But how do you choose? What gives you the confidence to incorporate something like that into a practice? Now, I can't necessarily answer that for you, but what I can tell you is what is unique about BioTissue and why we believe we're a superior choice. For the last 20 years, we are the only amniotic membrane product in the ocular space that the FDA has cleared and designated as being anti-inflammatory and anti-scarring. We pride ourselves on quality, which is why we control our products all the way from recovery through final application. And we understand that a challenge into incorporating new technology into a practice is reimbursement, which is why we were the first to establish the Level 1 CPT codes for amniotic membrane and are the only ones that are consistently advocating for and protecting the fair payment of 65778. This is an ongoing effort, and our products are consistently and specifically named on most commercial policies. We choose to invest in a direct sales force that their only job is to find ways to help our customers integrate amniotic membrane into their practices. And lastly, and maybe most excitingly, we have 2 active INDs in the ocular space that will transform our technology to make it even more accessible to patients in need. Put all together, we now have a product portfolio that builds upon our rich history of clinical efficacy and credibility of amniograft and Procera. Today we have added CAM360 AG and are already in development for the next generation to make that product even easier and more accessible. And additionally, our product pipeline is full. Our future products soon to enter phase trials with FDA in a drop and then a gel formulation. Now, many of you may have seen or even heard of CAM360 AG. It provides physicians a new tool to intervene earlier where comfort may be a concern. The product is hydrated, it's ringless, It has adhesion properties where orientation does not matter, and it can be incorporated with versatile application methods. In addition, CAM360 is a product that has shown impressive clinical results, is building robust data, and because it is built from the amniograph family, earns the claim of reducing inflammation. Now, our key learnings early on include some noticeable benefits. It is targeted for mild to moderate dry eye disease and stage 1 neurotrophic keratitis. CAM360 has been shown to help accelerate healing in as little as 2 days, leading to much happier patients. In fact, patients are showing increased nerve sensitivity after application. So let's take a little deeper dive into the early results. We see an improvement in signs and symptoms in patients upwards of 97%. This mirrors our published results of our flagship amniotic membrane product, Procara. In summary, our updated product portfolio allows physicians to have access to clinically proven and effective products with robust data, real-world evidence, and now options. Options based on how progressed a patient is on their ocular surface disease management. And as I mentioned in the beginning, evolution and innovation are a must. At BioTissue, we see a world where the power of regenerative therapy and the benefits of our products can be administered as a frontline therapy. We are excited to get the trials started yet this year, and we'll certainly keep you updated as they progress. Thank you for your time.